Hello, so this is a review for the Roomba from iRobot. Unfortunately, mine does not charge anymore. I probably got this Roomba maybe, I want to say, a month and a half ago, and it's remained in the box until I moved to my new apartment. And I want to say I've been using it the past 2 weeks only. And I've probably ran it according to my iRobot app that, tracks everything. It says I've used it about 5 to 6 times. And it's like not charging anymore. It indicates that it's charging. But unfortunately, it's been on 0 for 2 days now, I believe. I've looked at a couple of threads online telling me to reset it, update it, all this jazz, done all of it. Nothing fixes it. So the robot itself and like how it performs, I'm not mad. I think it does a decent job, in rugs and stuff. But the time span that it actually worked for was only 5 to 6 times in a span of 2 weeks. So unfortunately, if you're like me and want your things to last much longer, especially for hundreds and hundreds of dollars, I think I spent probably like $300 on this one. For a couple $100, I expect this to last at least a couple years, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't recommend buying this one. Maybe they're newer ones, uphold longer.